today's video, let's talk about how to manage your Signal storage. Signal stores all of your messages and media locally, meaning it would consume the storage on your phone. So if you are running out of storage and you want to manage your storage from your Signal, what you can do is manage it inside of the Signal app by heading over to the settings. You can do that by tapping on the three-dotted line and then head over to settings. Settings list, if you scroll down, you'll see the option called data and storage. Now inside of data and storage, the first option you'll see is manage storage. You can tap on this option and it's going to show you the exact storage the chats and messages or the video files inside of Signal is consuming. Now there are a few ways that you can limit this. If you see under chat limits, you can see the option called keep messages. This means you can choose to keep the message forever, or you can also choose it to delete automatically. For example, if you select 30 days, the messages will automatically be deleted. Now, if you want to delete messages now straight away, and if you don't have any important messages or you have messages already packed up, you can tap on the delete message history on the bottom so that all of the messages will be cleared out along with the videos or photos that are also received. You can also tap on the review storage option right here and take a look at which files are consuming your storage inside of Signal. Now, apart from this, if you head back to the data and storage section, you can see the option called media auto download. In this section, you have two options when using mobile data and when using Wi-Fi. All of these media sent to you on Signal will automatically get downloaded and will be stored to your phone as well. So if you don't want that and don't want to save all of these data, you can check these options off, and that way these media won't be downloaded automatically. You can do the same process for mobile data as well. So that's the way that you manage your Signal storage. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.